Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Zoho CRM as a complete beginner. If you're just getting started, this guide will help you understand the basics and confidently manage your customers, leads, and sales. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard where all your modules are organized. Next, start with the leads module. This is where new potential customers are stored before they become actual clients. To add a lead, click Create Lead, then enter details like name, email, company, and phone number. Once your leads are added, you can manage them, assign them to team members, and track their progress inside the CRM. Next, move to the Deals module. This is where you track sales opportunities and follow them through each stage of your pipeline. You can also use contacts, reports, and dashboards to organize customer data and track your business performance more effectively. Finally, explore automation features like workflows to save time by automating emails, tasks, and updates. And that's it. Yeah, you've learned the basics of Zoho CRM for beginners. With regular use, you'll be able to manage leads, track deals, and grow your business more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.